Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're doing a quick review on cloud divs. Yes, cloud divs, this is it. So what it does is helps you hire, manage and pay Latin American developers and designers. Helps you hire top talent to your time zone in just 24 hours with Latin America's largest pre-vetted senior talent network. No minimum commitment period. They handle legal compliance, local taxes, and global payroll. Zero upfront costs. You can hire now or schedule a call. So great companies choose them. You can see Coinbase, Check, Moral, and the rest of them. You can see examples of those are available. You can start hiring. So it is G2's favorite talent platform. It helps you hire freelance, direct hires, team augmentation. And when it comes to pricing, you have $45 and $5 per hour. It seems that's the only one we have for pricing. So okay, they also have pay as you go listen. So you can cancel anytime. You can go weekly contract with no minimum commitment when you hire Latin American developers through cloud divs. Clients are assigned under 24 hours. You get it? That's very good. They are assigned from the same time zone, so it is flexible with working US hours, 7-day weeks free guarantee. And if you're not happy, you get a replacement and a refund right away. You can find a talent match. So this is first step, just tell them what you need. And then you have to wait for consultation, meet one of the experienced talent experts and get to know their services. And then they'll explain to you why you can choose it. Now, once you tell what you need, the step 2 you take is just wait for them and they'll find the perfect fit. You receive a short list of candidates within 24 hours. Get on a call with the talent to identify your perfect match. You get detailed profiles with full resumes, comprehensive background checks, get to know developers in one-on-one calls. And the third step, you can then start your week's free trial. You can hire Latin American developers on a 1 week's free trial and get to work via a dedicated Slack workspace. You get started on a weekly rolling contract, no minimum commitment. You can replace your talent at any time for free. So you can see, I don't see the disadvantage here. So many great things. Now, why should you choose this? You get talent assigned 24 hours, time zone match talents, you can cancel anytime, 7-day weeks free guarantee. And if you have any questions, listen, get in touch by clicking here. The hours of vetting process effects for communication attitude check, skill assessment, and problem solving challenge. So they vet every aspect. They offer you full stack developers, front end developers, back end developers, AI and ML developers, mobile developers, UI and UX designers, and so much more. So you can hire from a pool of about 10,000 plus senior pre-vetted developers. It is the largest pre-vetted talent platform in Latin America, and they are confident they can find the perfect fit for you, from short-term project-based roles to permanent positions. So what are you waiting for? Start hiring through cloud divs today.